y'all, welcome to All NC Traveling. On this channel, I'll be bringing you the real side of life on the road, truck stops, rest areas, and everything in between. I'll take you along to explore small towns, across the US and Canada, exactly as they are. If you like discovering real places on the road, go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss the next stop. Let's begin our walk. Here at the Petro-Pass Truck Stop in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, right here on 51st Street East. This place is open 24/7 and is a handy stop for fuel, food, and a quick reset. Parking's always the first thing drivers want to know, and here you've got about 15 spots. It's not huge, so if you're rolling in at night, chances are it'll be packed. Fuel setup here is cardlock, straight to the point, diesel and def at the lanes. Works great if you're set up, but if it's your first time, give yourself a minute to figure it out. Getting in and out of here is pretty straightforward. Just keep an eye on the fuel lanes. They can get tight if that Ryan is trying to swing through at once. They've got a weigh scale right on site, which is handy if you're running heavy. Beats searching for a scale down the highway when you're tight on hours. So I know you want more tours like this. ATM's right inside. Wi-Fi is available, and there's a small lounge. Nothing fancy, but it's a spot to catch your breath and stretch out. Inside you'll find a little store and a deli with sandwiches and snacks. Don't expect a full restaurant, but it's enough to grab a coffee or a quick bite. Showers are clean enough, nothing to complain about. If you want a quiet time, aim early morning or really late at night. They've even got laundry machines if you need a reset on the road. RV folks and truckers alike will appreciate the dump station too. So all in all, you've got parking, showers, laundry, food, fuel, and even a scale. Not bad for a smaller truck stop, everything you need in one place. That's the Petro-Pass in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. Nothing fancy, but solid for a pit stop. Like if you parked here before, drop your favorite Saskatchewan stop, and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next walk. Thanks for joining me here on All in Sea Traveling. Every stop has its own story. Whether it's a truck stop, a rest area, or a small town street, I bring you along to see it all, just as it is. If you enjoyed this walk, make sure to subscribe and come along for the next journey. More towns, more roads, and more real travel experiences are just around the corner. Until then, see you at the next stop.